Hi guys, this is part two, but my sister just clicked the finish button and the video was done, and I was so angry at the, but whatever. So I'm still dressing. When I'm done dressing, I'm gonna go wash my teeth. Then after I brush my teeth, I'm gonna come back to come show you my outfit. Next, brush my teeth, girl.
Say, wat maak jy dit? Ha? Waaroor? Ja, wat?
Okay, as I'm done. Then I'm done. Now I'm just cleaning up my room because it's a little dirty. So I'm cleaning my room. So now I'm gonna wear my uniform properly. Then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put some Vaseline in my face. Then show you. I'm gonna wear this jacket is from Woolworths and I'm gonna wear it last. But anyways, this vest, Woolworths, the dress is from the school. The socks is from Toppers. The shoes is from Woolworths. Yeah. So I'm just putting the shoe properly. You can see. Guys, my dad is so annoying, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna wear the jacket last. Cause I don't wanna get it dirty. There is the outfit. Now put Vaseline. Guys, yesterday I relaxed my hair so it's nice and smooth for exams. And yesterday I was studying the whole day. Studying the whole day, so I might also study today if I have time left. If my transcript doesn't come that early, then I'm gonna study. Okay, I don't think that I'm gonna do edits, cause I don't think I'm gonna do edits, cause most of the time I do edits writing. That's my eyebrows. Let's go put some soap and slick them. Okay guys, here's the brush. So I'm gonna try to slick them as yesterday, cause yesterday it was so slick and thin. Cause sometimes I like my eyebrows thin. See? We don't want to go see in the mirror. Done. These are the eyebrows. I like my eyebrows thin, guys. And I'm gonna put Vaseline around it because the soap is gonna make this area dry. Yeah, boy. It's gonna make it so dry. Now let's go put on mascara. Put boots. Mascara. I don't think that I'm gonna do lip combo today. But we're gonna see. And you know I always go for the brown one because the black one I think it's too bold. Is it? It's too bold. If it's not here, I'm gonna go ask my sister because yesterday it was here. It was here. Cause I should be doing my hair now because there's the gum. But yeah. finish. Okay, the lip liner is not here, so let's go ask my sister. Okay, guys, got the lip liner and the thingy, so let's get to work. Wait, zoom. That's my guys. Yeah, but at least today it's gonna be like soft bruise. Let's go moisturize it and then go with moisturizer. Cream down, guys. I'm moisturizing now. So now I'm gonna go my hair, and guys, I'm so surprised that my hair is so long. Go my hair now, guys. Go. I don't know what's today's is though, but we're gonna figure the plan. Oh, guys, I just hit my hair on speaker. I'm just speaking now. We're gonna go open the light, guys. Then we're gonna flick my hair. Guys, I'm gonna come back now. I'm gonna go search on TikTok. I want to go search on TikTok hairstyles because I don't know what to do with my hair. And I'm gonna make part 3 with this, which is the last part.